Oh, God!
Stay down.
Oh! 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 Oh!
Hey, are you on the radio?
Oh, God! Oh, be toilet pour in front of me.
Okay, hang tight, bud.
Oh! Oh!
Don't move. What's hurting on you?
My lower back.
All right, hang tight. Don't move.
Oh! Fuck! Oh!
Just your lower back right now?
Right above my butt, yes.
Hey, let me grab my hat.
Hey, buddy, can you...
What's wrong?
I need to call my wife.
I'll take care of that for you. We'll call.
Who are you? Who are you?
Okay?
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
We'll call. Just don't, I don't want you to move. I don't want you to move.
Oh.
All right, camera rolling.
Yes, it is. Yes. Pulled out right in front of me.
We saw it. Yeah. I turned your bike off, all right?
Thank you. Can you pick what?
Yeah, we'll get everything taken care of.
Who are you?
We're Sheriff's Department.
Okay.
I'm actually a traffic investigator, so.
Okay, I'm Matt.
Sorry to meet you like this. All right. Just do me a favor, just sit still, all right?
Okay.
You want to tell Billy we have an accident now? I switched over right now.
Are you able to move everything?
I-
Arms or just toes?
Yeah.
Okay. So just your midsection?
My lower back, right above, like, I don't know if this is my tailbone, right above my butt. It really hurts bad.
All right, we'll get everything taken care of.
I need to call my wife or my dad or someone.
What's your
I got a cell phone in my.
well, we'll get it. I don't want you to be moving around getting your cell phone out. Wait till the squad secures you, okay?
Okay.
What's your you got a pen? I can write it down. Go ahead, what is it?
513.
What's your name?
Barbara.
It's gonna be once the squad gets here, the whole road's gonna be shut down.
Sorry.
You're fine. You're lucky you're sitting here talking.
Oh Jesus. You know what? Oh wait, I think I just gave you my phone's vibrate. I gave you my number. It's the same thing, but 86.
513.
I'm sorry.
He's just got some back pain. He's lucky.
Yeah, we heard it.
And just sat and watched it. Pulled right out in front of him.
The fucker made eye contact with me.
More than likely is going to be Anderson Mercy. Right to well, I'm not leaving a voicemail. Yeah.
Can you call my dad? Well, I don't have his. I can't.
Just give it a second. I'll try back.
Does he know that we're going to shut down?
My neck feels heavy. I don't know if it's because of my helmet or not.
Yeah, we'll let the squad mess with that, okay?
At least he helmet on. That's neck breaking right now.
Hey, are you working? No, we just had a motorcycle crash down here out front of Cincinnati Park. I don't believe it's anything life-threatening right now. He's alert, conscious, and talking. He's got some lower back pain. I was just seeing, I didn't know if you were coming down or not. Okay. Okay. Absolutely. All right, you're welcome.
Yes, I was. I feel fine except for my lower back there.
I think they were thinking it was you.
Oh, no.
Hey, how's it going? Lower back pain and took a pretty good hit. Yeah, it's front feet's over it. At least you had a helmet on. Right? What's going on?
I just... Fuck, man.
What's that?
Oh, shit.
With your camera on?
Yes.
There you go.
That's why I wear it.
Billy, they're calling you. Coney. I think no one's in District 1. I'm just waiting on a beat car to get here so we can get it taken care of. Got command established. Sir, how you doing?
Been better.
Okay. What kind of injuries?
My lower back, it feels like right above my butt, right above my tailbone area. Lower back.
Get up at all?
No.
Okay. All right, just hold still real quick here, okay? Just low back pain, pushing part. What's your neck? Is your neck good?
My neck feels fine. It feels heavy. It might be because of my helmet.
Okay. How fast were you going, do you know?
45 maybe.
Did you hit the side of the car?
Yes, I did. They pulled out right in front of me.
Okay, we're trying to take it off.
Go ahead.
Loose enough?
No, you're going to have to do the buckle. I can move my arms.
Okay. If you want to move your arms, you go ahead. You probably know more about this than I do.
If you want to cut it, you can cut it.
We don't want to.
I'm going to have to, well, I got to buy a new one after this. It's only good for one wreck.
I don't see the release.
Here.
Sir, is anything else hurting you?
My wrist is starting to hurt.
Okay.
Like it scraped or something, maybe. Hold on.
I got this button. I got.
Then just slip it through the loops. Just slip it goes. Turn my camera off.
Okay, it's off. Are you concerned of the C-spine here? Relax, I got you. There you go. We're gonna put a collar on you. You got it.
Being elevated like that makes my back hurt more.
You sit down a little bit. We're setting up a board. We're gonna roll in. See this wrist over here hurting? Am I hurting?
No, it just feels like it scraped or something. The top of my wrist. Doesn't feel. It just feels.
Okay. This is mine. Huh? This is mine. Yeah, you want to answer, Mercy? More than likely. Nothing else hurts you?
It doesn't hurt when I breathe or anything like that.
Okay.
Just my lower back.
What hospital do you want to go to? Where do you live? Amelia? You want to go to Anderson? I'm going to pull your leg there. How about your hip?
Yes, my hip, my back, right back there where you squeeze and hurt. Yep, right in that area.
I think not your hip, your back.
My lower back.
How about this leg?
No, they feel fine.
This leg?
I can feel it when I breathe in and out, but I can breathe.
Hey, sir, do you want me to have the bike towed, or do you want to? Coney said you can put it right back inside the fence if you want to.
It's gonna have to be. I don't would have no way to get back to my house. I
Okay.
don't think.
Okay. Then I'll just call for a county tow, and when I come up to the hospital, I'll have that information with you as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
What's your social security, guys?
290.
Matthew, I talked to your wife, just to let you know, okay?
Okay.
She's gonna meet you there.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
I'm going to put his helmet and gloves in the squad.
So what do you do with this camera? You just video yourself?
This is why.
This is why. That's cool.
Yeah. I would occasionally I